Wagwan people, yeah man. So you don't know me, I have a voice over this because there was music playing in the background. But this was my visit to Jamaica and this is us cooking outside. As you can see, goodies, we have some pork on the fire. And you don't know how we do it Jamaican style. We cook outside on the wood fire or coal stove. So as you can see in the pot, we have some good pork. So what we are doing, we are brown stew the pork. Yeah man, so you see, me and my brother them, I cook up and I chef up. Right here, so we have a pot of soup. You know, so we cook some ram goat soup, or if you want to call it manish water. Yeah. So you don't know, them pot have to big. We have a seasoning, you can see over here. So I go on, we have a breadfruit with pumpkin. I go and cut up some of the seasoning them, you know, put in the soup and for cook the pork. We cook pork, curry chicken and a whole bag of things. So as you can see here, so we have the goat. So we also gonna cook some curry goat. So the goat kind of look a bit frozen, but that not stop us from put it on the fire because everything I go cook, everything I go carpet. So we catch up 2 more cold stove. As you can see, the vegetable are prepared as well. So we have some lettuce and tomato and cucumber and everything cut up and nice for the soup over there. So cold stove I go on yasso. Over there, so we have the pork a simmer down same way. Me and my brother them here. Yeah man, me and my brother them are do it, you know. Them big top chef. See it? So that a go on. As you can see, stay tuned and see what I go on. We have a whole lot more things are go on. Curry goat over there, so as you can see, start melt out already, my friends. Yeah man, my people. Yes, my friends. So you know we can't cook all of this meat and we not gonna make nothing rice and peas. You're crazy. So as you can see, a nice pot of rice and peas. Actually, we're doing 2 pots of rice and peas and a pot of white rice. Yeah man, we're also gonna bake some roti, so you wanna stay tuned for that. As you can see, the pork done cook, the goat done cook. Look how good that look. Yeah man, I'll just make my brother spin it up so you can see what it look like. Yeah man, spin that up. Still have it on a little bit of heat. I go and keep it and I go and simmer it. But as you can see, nice and tender. The goat done cook as well. We just keep it warm on the cold stove. Yeah man. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna just finish up the rice them. We're gonna jerk some of the pork too, so stay tuned for that. And we're gonna bake the rotis. And we're gonna cook the white rice. We're gonna make some pasta. A whole heap of things are going. You don't wanna leave this video. You wanna stay tuned and see what we are doing. Alright, so see, 1 pot of the rice and peas done already. 1 pot of the rice and peas cook. So nice and shelly. I will do this on cold stove. You have to know if you gauge your wood fire, have to know if you gauge your cold stove. I don't know if you bring in the Indian part of it, so we'll make some dal, where we use split peas. So the dal go with the curry well and the roti. Remember I tell you about the jerk pork. Yeah man, so my brother put on the jerk pork on the grill. So we're going to grill that. We're going to make some barbecue sauce for the pork as well. So we're going to add some sauce. So we have the jerk pork, but we're going to eat it with barbecue sauce. You want to try that one out as well? If you want me to share the barbecue sauce recipe, just leave me a comment and let me know what you think. The best jerk pork this ever, man. And the sauce, wicked. So everything almost done cooked. So we are make the rotis now. So these are the rotis. This is how we do it in Jamaica. So as you can see, we are oil the rotis and we're doing this on a wood fire. So as me say, you have to know how to gauge a wood fire. Yeah man. So food done cook. We are share. Oh my God, look on the goodness. We have roti, we have fried chicken, we have goat, we have jerk pork, we have brown stew pork, we have vegetable, we have dal, we have curry mango. Man, I'm telling you. Okay, my goodies, just let me know if you want any of the recipe and I'll share the recipe with you. Until next time, thanks for watching.